What the fuck?
Oh, Jesus. Fuck off.
Be taken at class hearing today.
Fucking hell!
Just finishing it.
Oh, Jesus.
Over 2 million Australians have turned to insurance groups for their healthcare needs. Our doctors are here for you.
What the hell? What are you fucking doing? Fuck me.
Manual recording will now start.
Fucking nothing behind me, mate.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? नहीं पढ़े तू जाने
What? Why?
This right here is anxiety.
fucking Muppets straight through a red light.
Anxiety.
It's funny, Sally Ann is in the UK, her best friend Robin is in the United States. Both of them collect benefits from their country they live in, right? And they're so pissed off about fucking America and Trump. That's weird, Robin, right? Robin, are you on fucking disability or social security or some kind of fucking unemployment? Because we know Sally is, right? And there's nothing wrong with being on that. I think the unemployment disability benefits were made for people like certain people who just can't fucking work for a living.
It's been removed.
What else?
Why on this video?
Well, I uploaded, I gave you the links to,
Where did this go?
What the fuck? What the? Where the fuck did they come from?
Turn here.
Whoa, what move? They went through a red light.
Yeah, no, need the fucking indicator, eh? Fuck off. way!
Manual recording will now start.
To teraz po papieroski.
What? Like...
What the fuck? A teraz sobie wyjdę.
You don't say, I guess I have to wait.
Oh shoot.
You're going wrong way, for fuck's sake. Ah, gonna... Fucking idiots. Why is there a fucking sign? And she's coming the wrong way again? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, God. Wrong fucking way again. Ah.
Manual recording will now start.
Actually, for third and fourth, I think we were close enough to be thereabouts. So if we had beaten Dick at Bathurst in his new AU in his old car, that would have been a pretty special moment.
Yeah, only a little bit red.
Mobile police camera reported a